Thinking about working in the UAE? Whether you're planning to go or already working there, it's important to know the benefits, salaries, work culture, and what life is like for Sri Lankan workers. In this video, we'll explain why the UAE is a top destination for foreign workers from Sri Lanka, India, Nepal, Bangladesh, and beyond. Let's begin. Job opportunities for foreign workers. The UAE has a high demand for foreign workers, particularly in these industries. Industries hiring foreign workers: construction and infrastructure, welders, electricians, engineers, hospitality and tourism, hotel staff, waiters, chefs, retail and customer service, cashiers, sales assistants, healthcare, nurses, caregivers, medical technicians. Security and cleaning services, guards, housekeepers. Good news. Many UAE employers provide work visas, accommodation, and transportation for free. Salary and cost of living in the UAE. Average salaries for foreign workers depend on experience and skills. Construction workers: AED 1,000 to 2,500 per month. Hospitality and retail workers: AED 1,200 to 3,500 per month. Skilled technicians, electricians, plumbers: AED 1,600 to 3,000 per month. Office and administrative jobs: AED 2,500 to 8,000 per month. Additional benefits: no income tax. You keep 100% of your salary. Overtime pay for extra work hours. Salary increments and bonuses depending on experience. Some employers provide free food and transport, reducing your expenses. Benefits of working in the UAE: free accommodation and transport. 1. Many companies provide free housing or shared accommodation for workers. 2. If you rent a private apartment, prices range from 1,000 United Arab Emirates dirhams 4,000 per month, depending on the location. Low-cost food and essentials. 1. Meals at worker cafeterias. 5 United Arab Emirates dirhams 15 per meal. 2. Grocery expenses. 300,600 United Arab Emirates dirhams per month. Healthcare and insurance. 1. Employers provide free health insurance for workers. 2. Public hospitals offer affordable medical services. Legal work contracts and rights. Your employment is protected under UAE labor laws, ensuring legal salary payments. Contractual job security. Paid annual leave. The UAE offers stability and legal protections for foreign workers. Work culture and environment in the UAE. What's it like working in the UAE? 8 10-hour workdays, 6-day work weeks. Depending on industry, fast-paced and disciplined work culture. Multicultural environment. English widely spoken. Strict labor laws ensure fair treatment for workers. Unlike some countries, the UAE has a professional and respectful work environment for foreign employees. Work visa and how to apply with JIFCO Recruitment. How to get a work visa for the UAE. Keycap 1. Find a job through a licensed agency like JIFCO Recruitment. Keycap 2. Your employer will apply for your work visa. Keycap 3. You receive an entry visa and medical screening. Keycap 4. Work permit and Emirates ID issued upon arrival. JIFCO Recruitment helps Sri Lankan workers secure legal jobs in the UAE with guaranteed work visas. JIFCO Recruitment services include: 1. Job matching and placement. 2. Visa processing and documentation. 3. Travel arrangements. Apply now. Email us, vacancy@jifcorecruitment.com. WhatsApp, +94777 930093. Apply via website www.jifcorecruitment.com. Why choose the UAE for work? High demand for workers in multiple industries. No income tax. Higher take-home salaries. Strong labor protections and benefits. Gateway to career growth in the Middle East. With a UAE work visa, you can build a better future for yourself and your family. Thinking about working in the UAE? JIFCO Recruitment is here to help. We ensure you get a secure job with a legal employment visa. Outgoing mail. Contact us today. hello@jifcorecruitment.com +94117 383 383 www.jifcorecruitment.com.